Kaunas Castle. Lithuania.
It is?
Wow. Hello! Yeah. And then the blink of... Type A lang talaga. Get it. Okay, yeah. Okay na, uwian na. We made it to Lithuania. Hi guys! We're on our way to our hotel. Yay! We made it to our hotel! Yay! Hello! Our hotel is actually really nice. Best, say hi.
Hi.
Anyway, we made it to our hotel and we were just gonna chill for a little bit before we explore the city. I look at you. Anyway, guys, I will see you later when we go outside. This is why I like traveling with someone. We are now walking towards the Kaunas Castle. And we are currently in the old town of the city. Sobrang cute ng mga buildings nila kahit maliit lang. Pero cute siya. We made it to Kaunas Castle. Is it Kaunas or Kaunas? I think so. Kaunas. Ang ganda niya, it's giving Kaunas. Ang ganda ng kulay, oh. Parang nasa Korea.
Yeah.
Charot lang.
Ay, look at the river. Let's go to the river.
This is the other side of the castle. We're walking towards it now. Guys, look, they still have snow here but hindi siya ganun kalamig. Around 11 degrees kasi sunny naman today. Outfit check! Charot lang. So our plan for today is to just explore the city, and then tomorrow we are going to the other area, like the more modern area, and then we are traveling to the next city. So this travel is like really chill because we just want to go sightseeing and walk around their city. So every time I look at you and in the blink of an uncanny eye, the reality of spring. Shit! Yeah, malabog ako. Frozen river. Get it. Hit it. Ganda! It's so beautiful! Guys, it's so nice in here. I love the vibe. Super chill lang, and then picture, and then after this we will go have dinner, and we're gonna have a traditional Lithuanian cuisine. So, influences in the wild. Which one?
Ito.
Yes.
Pero ang hirap yung tanggalin. Ay, ang pwede nito.
Getting some stickers.
Hindi ko siya makuha. Huwag na nga.
Super beautiful ng sunset. Ang ganda, oh. Nice. Music video. Cute! Ang ganda! We are gonna take some photos.
Normal na lang, video na lang ako.
Sige.
Yung nakaganyan lang, tapos lalakad lang.
Ah, sige. Ulit. Ulit. Tatanggalin ko. Wait lang, guys! Look at the building over there. It's called the old man? Something like that. Guys, we are so hungry. We wanted to explore more, but we're so hungry. Yeah, I know, right? Ganda. Gusto ko ma-record yung reaction mo. Guys, ang gaganda ng picture namin. Excited ako. Saya, okay na, uwian na. Uwian na.
Pwede na mag-check out.
Pwede na mag-check out. The reality of spring for you.
Parang ang tangkad ko pa.
Diba? Ang galing ko kasi kumuha eh. Super satisfied. Satisfied ka?
Satisfied customer. Pwede na umuwi.
Pwede na umuwi. Tingnan nyo amoy ang baho. Guys, super charming ng mga street nila. Donuts. Okay, ayan na.
We're gonna have dinner here.
Yay!
Oh wow.
Guys, we made it to the restaurant. And it's so aesthetic, so pretty. Like, it's giving history. Akala ko fist, sabi mo. Ayan, so magpo-post na tayo ng story natin.
Thank you.
Welcome. It is.
Wow.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Yay. Guys, we ordered the traditional Lithuanian fist and it looks so good. This is what you do when you love junk journaling. We just finished having dinner. Anong masasabi mo sa dinner natin?
That's really good.
It was really good, but it was for 4 person and di namin kayang ubusan. But it was really nice. It's getting chilly in the night here. It's only 7 p.m. pero sobrang empty na ng mga streets. So, we decided to go back to the hotel. No, joke, hindi pa pala. Bibili muna kami ng ref magnet. And then, we're going back to our hotel. We made it back to our hotel. That is it for our first day, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, guys. Day 2 of our Baltic trip. Let's go. Go lang. I don't mind. Type A lang talaga ako. Our plan for today is to explore the other part of the city, and then around noon we will take the bus going to Riga. Outfit of Zizay. Sana hindi tayo lamigin mamaya. Go. Good morning, guys. I'm having a wardrobe malfunction. Nakikita yung puwet ko. We are on the hunt for the famous donuts in Lithuania. It's called Sporgine. Yeah, of course. We saw this donut shop from TikTok and it's really cute. It's giving old diner vibe. And they only accept cash, by the way. Let's try the donut. This one is curd. This one is really popular.
Oh, really? Was it good?
Top.
Did you pay?
Not yet. Guys, I had to put my jacket behind me kasi I'm flushing everywhere. Guys, we are currently at the Yard Gallery and it's an open street gallery. Basically, they turned this alley into like an art exhibit. So,
Imagine the snow country.
ay, ito ba?
Racing car.
Sobrang dami nilang flags sa mga buildings here. Yes. We have made it to Town Square, as they call it, and it's really nice in here, but there's not much people, we noticed. I think maybe because it's a weekday and dead hour, so yeah, we're just gonna explore and maybe take some photos. We are now heading to Christ Resurrection Church and we are going to check if the funicular is open. Pero if not, hindi na kami pupunta kasi girl, bigat ng bag namin. Low-key regretting my decision to wear skirt today. Guys, sarado yung funicular. May aakyat. Pagod na kami. Hanap na lang muna kami ng ref magnet. Getting some maps for our young journey. Nice. Guys, I like this kasi ito yung weird ornaments sa building. This one also. We are still hunting for ref magnets, but we are currently at Riga. This will be a 4-hour bus ride, so papahinga muna kami. And we bought a lot of foods for the trip. So yeah, we will see you after 4 hours.